A terrarium. Everybody likes to be surrounded by plants and flowers. Some plants need very little water, sunlight and soil and can be grown indoors. Such plants can be grown in a terrarium. A terrarium is a small indoor garden that can be grown in a glass jar. Clear, smooth glass offers the best view of the plants inside. Here is an easy way to make a terrarium. Things you need: a large clear jar, charcoal and pebbles, soil for planting, 2 or more plants. Choose a short plant. Colorful stones for decorating, bright green moss, a small funnel. What to do? Number 1. Fill the jar with a layer of charcoal and pebbles. This will keep the soil from getting too damp. Number 2. Add a layer of soil. Make holes in the soil about 1 inch apart. Number 3. Place the plants in the soil. Number 4. Gently tap the soil down over the roots of the plants. Number 5. Place the moss and colorful stones around the plants. The moss stops the water from evaporating quickly, and the stones make the terrarium beautiful. Number 6. Water the plant with the help of a small funnel. Water only when the soil feels dry. Place the terrarium in a well-lit area, but not in direct sunlight. You can keep it in a room or gift this pretty garden to a friend.
Now let's answer these behind text the exercises that is given in page number 34. Circle the correct word given in the bracket. A terrarium is a glass container used for growing plants. Glass. Then charcoal and pebbles keep the soil from getting too damp. Third, we should choose short plants for the terrarium. Next one. Fourth, terrariums do not need a lot of water. Fifth, terrarium should not be kept in direct sunlight. Next one, B. Circle the correct answer. Circle the correct answer. The first step in making a terrarium after all the material has been collected is filling the jar with pebbles and charcoal. Second, what should you do after adding a layer of soil? Make holes in the soil. Third, which happens first? Colorful stones and moss are placed in the jar. Okay. Now turn the next page, page number 35. Answer the following questions. Why should we use a clear container for the terrarium? Now these question and answer you need to write it down in the in English 1. First you need to write the lesson name, then draw lines. First of all you need to write all the hard words that you have come across, and then the second thing you are going to write these question answers only. Answer the following question. These questions you are going to write it down. Why should we use a clear container for the terrarium? We should use a clear container for the terrarium so that we can see the plants inside clearly. So that we can see the plants inside clearly. Next, what kind of plants can be grown in terrarium? Why? Small plants can be grown in a terrarium. Why? Because they need very little water, sunlight and soil to grow. Also, they will fit inside the terrarium easily. Okay, this is the second answer. Third, why are holes made in the soil? Holes are made for putting the plants in the soil. Okay, or placing the plant in the soil. Why should we use a funnel to water the plants. We should use a funnel so that extra water is added to the soil. Next one. What will happen if the terrarium is kept in direct sunlight? Okay, if the terrarium is kept in direct sunlight, the plants may dry up and die. Dry up and die. The plants may dry up and die. Okay, now next one. Why do you think gardening is a good hobby for children? Gardening is a good hobby for children because it helps them appreciate nature and teaches them to be responsible. Growing plant is also good for the environment. Okay, next one. Would you like to give a terrarium as a birthday gift to friend? Give reason. Yes, because why? Because it is a beautiful gift and it would be nice to give a gift that I had made myself. Okay, these are the question answers. You need to write down first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Only sixth. Okay, 1 to 6 you need to write it down. Right? Then comes the check your understanding of sequencing. Sequencing is you need to listen to it and then you need to answer these questions. Yes, like check your understanding the sequence, read the instructions for making the terrarium again, number the sentence in the correct order. Let's see what it says in the text. Okay, here is the sequencing. The first one will be fill the jar, clear container with a layer of charcoal and pebbles. Second one, we need to sequence it. It is in the numerical orders. Okay, fill a large clear container with a layer of charcoal and pebbles. First one is this. Second one, add the layer of soil. Third one, make holes in the soil. Fourth one, place the plant in the soil. Then fifth one, gently tap the soil down over the roots of the plants. Then sixth one, place some bright green moss and colorful rocks around the plants. Seventh one, water the plants with the help of the small funnel. Got it? Okay, now let's see what it is in. Okay, these are vocabulary, noun and verbs. This we'll do in the next period. Okay, so till then you complete your work. Write the chapter's name, write the new words, then the question answers.